Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my Cricut tools. And these are the tools that I use more often, and I use it with vinyl mostly and also with cardstock. Everything you see, it will fit in one bag, and I'm gonna show you first the stuff that I have. For example, right here, as you can see, this one I use it with HTV, and that's heat transfer vinyl. And this is a set of 2 tweezers and 2 rollers. You see, this one is the roller, and this one is a sticky one to get the lint of the t-shirts or any fabric or material that you're going to put the HTV. So this is one set, and this is from TEMU. And right here I have all the tools that came with my Cricut maker. See, right here, as you can see, it comes with the scissors and this one for embossing. Right here, a tool for embossing, and these two. And this one is another set, and it's the same but in a white color. And this is the marker if I want to use it for writing something on the Cricut. And I also have this big spatula. I love this one to pick up the vinyl or the paper. See, it's very good to scrape the residual. I also have this bin for getting the pieces of vinyl. And this is not from Cricut, this is from TEMU. And before I have this one, I use this one just in case you can get one of those. This one is from Dollar Tree, and this is for carrying the snacks for a baby. And it came with the designs of, I think, a giraffe and bunny, something like that. And I use acetone and a cotton ball, and I took it away. So look, ta-da! See, it has the same shape. So I used to put all the vinyl here, and it was very easy, but only the size is too big, but it's very easy to clean too. Look, you just unscrew and then you just toss it everything. See? So I use this one for a long time and I love it. So if you want something more stable and sturdy, you may want to look for this one at Dollar Tree. So it's very easy to just leave the residual of the vinyls here. See? And yeah, I love it. So I keep this one in a drawer, but inside of the bag is this one. And this is another item that I have from Dollar Tree. This is a cutter. I love it because it's small. See, it's very small, and right here, it's good for handling. And then you just can cut very fast the vinyl. See? And this one is all silicone. I love this one just to fix some parts and take all the bubbles from the vinyl. And this one was a spreader for baking, so it's all silicone. So if you want to look for this one, you may want to check on Hobby Lobby. I got it from there. And here is my mini cutter, and this one is a pen right here, and I got it at TEMU. See? And you just click and you have a tiny cutter. See? So just to pick up or cut any small piece of vinyl. See? So I keep it with all this stuff. And the last thing is this storage container that I bought at TEMU. And this one, let me show you, has these plastic things that you can move and make the dividers that you want. And this one, the cases for the blades, they fit perfectly. See, this one is for embossing. This is the deep blade, and this one are standard blades. And these are for my cutter, my Cricut cutter, are replacements. And this one is for scoring. Those are for the Cricut cutter. And this one that I use for engraving. And I have more spaces right here. And the dividers, I put it away, but I don't remember where. But it comes with all the dividers. See, so you can maybe put one more up here and save something small here and another of the casing right here. So this one, it's very, very nice. I love it because it fits perfectly and I don't have to look for it. If I need to change, I want to have it everything handy. So now I'm gonna show you the bag that I have to carry all this stuff. And here it is. I found it at TEMU and I love it. I love to have everything together. So it's easier for me to grab my Cricut and get this one and have everything that I need for my work. You open right here and it opens wide and look, beautiful. Everything is lined. See, it has right here two pockets, and then right here it has another pocket, and then it has these elastic things to keep some tools. And this one, it's open. At the beginning I didn't like this one, but now because I put my stuff, I like it. And in this side it has another pocket and you can put more stuff in here. So I'm going to put all the stuff so you can see. And for example, I'm going to start with these ones and I put it up here. Then I put this container right here. This one right here. This one here. And now in this space, I put one of these. I put the lint roller, this roller, and that's it. And right here, I just grab all the small ones and I just put it up here. These two are small. Then I can keep this one right here. Those are my tweezers. And here is for embossing. See? And then I have all of these that I'm going to put. Can you see? I don't need to open this part up here. And I still have more room here. Look. See? So I close this one. And I can open just this and grab this and some stuff right here. So I close this one and I have more room up here where I put all this stuff right here. And everything fits in here. See? My scissors, even this, and this. Ta-da! And this is my bag for organization of my Cricut tools. I hope you like this organization idea. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.